morning. I will discuss today about supervised learning, supervised machine learning. A computer program is led to learn from experience E with respect to some task T and some performance measure P. If its performance on T as measured by P improves with experience E. This is the perfect definition of machine learning by Tom Mitchell, Carnegie Mellon University. If you want to predict something or do some task, you can do it through machine learning algorithms by providing past data. Based on its outcome, its performance is decided. The performance keeps getting better as its predicted data is also updated or as history. See the definition once again. A computer program is said to learn from experience E with respect to some task and some performance measure P if its performance on T as measured by P improves with experience E. Means past experience machine can learn for some task. If you want to predict something or do some task, you can do it through machine learning algorithms by providing past data and apply one of the algorithm on that data. Data is divided into training and testing, and based on its performance, outcome is decided. The performance keeps getting better as its predicted data is also updated as history. Basic examples of machine learning are face detection, medical diagnosis, financial sectors and car parking. See, face detection or speech recognition. Artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence and deep learning is a subset of machine learning. Any technique that enables computers to mimic human intelligence using logic, if-then rules, decision trees and machine learning, including deep learning, that is called artificial intelligence. Machine learning, a subset of AI that includes abstruse statistical techniques that enable machines to improve at tasks with experience. The category includes deep learning. The subset of machine learning composed of algorithms that permit software to train itself to perform tasks like speech and image recognition by exposing multi-layered neural networks to vast amounts of data. Here we have to manually give the data, but here it will automate learn. For example, deep learning like speech and image recognition. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence and deep learning is a subset of machine learning. Types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning, it is a technique in which we teach or train the machine using data which is well labeled. I have already explained that labeled data, unlabeled data. Here system is presented with data which is correctly labeled and the task is to predict the output with the help of provided data for new input data X. First we have to give the labeled data. For example, apple and strawberry. This is the label data. And applying machine learning algorithms, we have to construct the model, machine learning model here by training, and then it gives output. It is apple and it is strawberry. In this example, we are providing machine the images of apples and strawberries, and goal is for the machine to identify and classify data for apples and strawberry. The training data. So we are telling the machine that if features have particular values, it is an apple or strawberry. We train the machine using this data. In simple terms, it can be like training a baby to identify different fruits, where baby will remember its color, taste, shape, and when again the same fruit is given, it will identify it correctly. In supervised learning, there is a well-defined training phase done with the help of label data. Supervised learning is further divided into two types: classification and regression. Classification example is Gmail recognize which mail is spam or not. A classification problem is when the output variable is a category. For example, identifying a color or identifying a disease, or above example, apple and strawberry. This is a classification problem to identify this type of problems. Identify color, identifying apple and strawberry. In a classification problem, the output variable is a category. Best example is a Gmail inbox, where some mails are automatically moved to spam. Google identifies the type of mail and it will categorize the mails. This is the example of classification. But what if it doesn't work for a particular mail? Many times it happens that useful mail is also sent to spam folder, or a spam mail is not listed. Then you have the option to relabel that, and accordingly Gmail will update its database for you. Now next time it is very likely to happen same thing for that sort of mail. This is how its performance is improved because relabeling of data. Another type of supervised learning, that is regression. Regression problem is when the output variable is a value or numerical outcome, that is identifying price of something. Regression is a sort of getting good value prediction from continuous value in data. For example, we want to predict fuel required for a trip. We will go through the past values and look at features like fuel, distance, vehicle and more. Finally, we come to a conclusion that at least this much fuel is required. Other example could be a predicting price of a house. We can predict from all features that what can be price of house in certain area or how much will it increase. This is the regression type problems. Basic steps involved in supervised machine learning: defining problem and gathering data for it, pre-processing data, split data into train and test sets, training the model, evaluating the model, improve the model, and deploying model and monitoring. 4, 5, 6 are repeated until we get some satisfactory conclusion. Training the model, we have to, if we achieve the goal as output, by testing data. It is accurate output. To reduce the error, we have to repeat the steps 4, 5, 6 to improve the model, improve the accuracy of model. Steps 4, 5, 6 are repeated until we get some satisfactory conclusion. We can use that algorithm, else we will try improving our algorithm up to satisfactory results. Once our model is trained at satisfactory result, we will use in real time data. Unsupervised learning, it is not labeled data. In unsupervised learning, machine is presented with unlabeled, uncategorized data, and the system's algorithms act on the data without prior training. Here we have given only data without labels. It will internally automatically figure out pattern of data. First it identifies the pattern of data and then group them in that manner. Suppose this is apple. It finds a pattern of apple into all the data and gather together this data. Apples and strawberries, as per the pattern, it applies machine learning algorithms and it categorizes two groups for that data. The group data based on similarity. It is like giving a baby a bunch of fruits and giving no prior knowledge of which fruits they are. In this case, baby will group similar looking fruits, same as our system did above. Clusters of similar data. So clustering is type of unsupervised machine learning. A clustering problem is where system tries to discover the inherent grouping in the data. Reinforcement learning. It is a part of machine learning where an agent is put in an environment and he learns to behave in this environment by performing certain actions and observing the rewards which it gets from those actions. What is the difference between unsupervised, supervised and reinforcement? Supervised means labeled data, unsupervised unlabeled data, and reinforcement learning, it is after performing action it gets rewards. For example, best example of this is playing a new game. At the first you are totally unaware about the features of game, but once you start exploring you get to learn, and with the passing time you become a champion. Similarly, system or agent here is put out in different environments with some initial algorithms. The agent explores environment and learn the same way you did playing a new game. Means reward and punishment is there. Child going to school, child is agent, school would be the environment. Child is agent and school would be the environment. If a child does some good work, he will be rewarded. But he misbehaves, he will be punished or penalized. In future, whenever child will try to do similar thing again, he will think of getting rewarded or punished. Therefore, this will improve the child. Agent knows if this task, specific task is there, then it will be punished or penalized. Therefore, the performance is improved as per the reward. Reinforcement learning is mostly used in gaming, finance sector, manufacturing, inventory management, and robot navigation. Type of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement, supervised learning, regression classification, unsupervised clustering, reinforcement gaming, self-driving cars. Unsupervised learning, clustering is there, city planning, classification, fraud detection, email spam detection, regression, risk assessment, price prediction. This is revision of machine learning. It's all about machine learning and its types. I hope you understood machine learning very well. Now at next lecture we go for supervised learning lab. Thank you.